Long road under open sky, warm wind passing by. I kept moving through the night, searching for a place that feels right. Miles behind, miles ahead, words I never said. Still a feeling pulling slow to the place I used to know. Every step draws me near to the sound I used to hear. Something deep inside, turning like a tide. Carry me home.